Classical Conversations Week 3 timeline, and we're going to learn this ASL signs for our timeline song, and you can modify this for your students. Hinduism in India. Hinduism, signs in ASL, and you're going to make one go up. Hinduism in India, and we're going to touch our foreheads. Phoenicians, we're going to put them on a boat. This is your boat, and you're going to put them on your other hand. You have a 3, put it here on your other hand, and you're going to make it go up and down. And the alphabet, make it A and a B. Olmecs of Mesoamerica. They were known for carving faces, so Olmecs, an O around your beautiful face. Israelites exodus and desert wandering. Israelites come together and they go out. Israelites exodus, and then we're gonna make a D, a sign language D, and desert wandering. We're gonna make our little D wander around. Israelite conquest and judges. Israelite conquest. So we're going to take 2 fists and we're going to put one on top of the other, like across our wrists. Israelite conquest, judges, and we're going to pound our hand on the flat hand. Israelite conquest and judges. Greek Dark Ages. We're just going to cover our eyes. Greek Dark Ages. Israel's United Kingdom. We're going to link our 2 fingers together. Israel's United Kingdom. Hinduism in India. Phoenicians and the alphabet. Olmecs of Mesoamerica. Israelite exodus and desert wandering. Israelite conquest and judges. Greek Dark Ages. Israel's United Kingdom.